apart from all the celebrity chefs that are on the Strip and all the restaurants that have come from New York or Chicago or Paris to establish an outpost in Las Vegas, you have this unlikely Thai restaurant that established itself as a must-visit destination for anybody who's interested in food. In a certain way, Lotus of Siam is the most famous Las Vegas restaurant of all time.
It was a hole-in-the-wall restaurant that just got all of this national press because it was so good. And people, they wait in line for hours to be there and to be a part of it.
It's like you're joining this club once you've discovered it. And if you haven't been there yet, then that's kind of like, well, what are you doing? Why haven't? That's the starting point.
A lot of people just, thought it was just a regular Thai restaurant.
Lotus of Siam is the darling restaurant of Las Vegas. They bring quality, they bring service, they bring presentation. It's a place to be seen and see.
The main definition for our restaurant would be family.
ดิฉันสายพินนะคะสายพินชุติมาดิฉันชื่อสายพินชุติมานะครับตอนนี้เป็นทุกอย่างทำทุกอย่าง
People from around the world come to see her. They say that Lotus of Siam is the #1 Thai restaurant in the world. She's definitely a staple.
ฉะนั้นความคิดก็คืออยากเอาอาหารดีๆที่ออกมาตามที่ชนบทเขาทานกัน
Lotus brought dishes that no one had ever tasted before. The cooking is so specific and authentic to the way that family cooks and eats.
The menu is huge. You got the northern style of cooking of Thai food.
That's what she ate, what she fed her children. That's what she's been cooking for over 50 years. People started to understand that there's northern food besides the basic Bangkok style food.
It's all traditional foods and recipes that have been handed down from her grandmother and her husband's grandmother for 100 years. You don't mess up something or change it if it's perfect.
My mom, she still does everything by hand. This is better. She wants to make sure that everything is right to the touch. Machines, they can't feel it.
This is how it's supposed to be.
The way they elevate the food, the presentation, the quality of it, the attention to detail, the crispiness of the rice. You'll find a lot of chefs there eating. Lotus of Siam is the best Thai food in all of Las Vegas, and it's well-deserved.
When people saw that a Thai restaurant had a wine program, it was very intriguing because we started off with German wines.
Lotus of Siam can be in its own category. It has the largest wine list of Riesling.
Thai food is super spicy. German Rieslings, especially the sweeter ones, definitely help out with the heat. And that's what my dad realized and he ran with it.
The cleanliness of the wine is unbelievable. German wines is also offset the heat built up in Thai food.
They know exactly what Riesling from what region will go with the dish that you're having.
Not only gives the restaurant a new dimension, but introduces people to having a dining experience they haven't had before. There really was no Thai food scene in Las Vegas prior to Lotus. There were a few restaurants.
It was actually mixed of Thai Chinese, not full-blown Thai. There's different stuff besides pad Thai and pad see ew. My mom, not being able to speak much English, what she speaks to is through her cooking. She expected this restaurant to be an institution to show guests that, hey, I want you to know Thai food.
The food's so incredible because it's mom's recipe elevated to a level that can withstand Las Vegas.
When you want to really experience what is going on in Las Vegas, then no matter where you come from, any part of the world, everybody goes to Lotus of Siam.